Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a thrift haul, obviously by the title, and I am so excited because it's going to be a Christmas thrift haul. So exciting. So for those of you who've been following along for a minute, you'll know that we've been working on my boys' bedroom, but I just needed to take a break because I was editing last week's video the night before the video was due, which is kind of common for me. But the project was just pushed so far into the week that I didn't have time to edit it like throughout the week, which is what I normally like. And so I just realized I was like, I need to push pause because thrift hauls are fun to film and they're very easy to edit. Thank goodness. And so I figured, let's just go ahead and throw this in there. Who doesn't love a good thrift haul, especially Christmas? And we can do this, guys, because when this is posted, it's November. So game is on. Not illegal to post this. I am fully within my rights, okay? But yeah, so we are gonna hop back into the bedroom hopefully next week. I don't have a ton of stuff left to do. It's really just like some shelves, and I'm waiting on some things. I'm working with someone for the ceiling tiles and for the rug, and so we just have to wait for some bigger items. And so I figured, let's just give myself some time in many senses of the word, and let's do a thrift haul because they're fun. Okay, so I have a bunch of Christmas I'm gonna show you, and then depending on the time, I may show you a couple other items, maybe save those for another one, I'm not quite sure. So I told you guys in a thrift haul earlier that I had gone thrifting. Maybe it was for my birthday, and I found, was it for my birthday? Did I find Christmas stuff that early? Early? I can't remember. Maybe it was a little bit after. Anyways, a recent thrift haul, I'd gone thrifting and I told you that I had found some Christmas items, but I wanted to save them, and I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I was shocked at the amount of stuff they had, and actually the amount of good stuff. I got these for 99 cents. Is that not the prettiest, like, the box is kind of gross, but pearl color? I love that. I think I'm gonna use this in the dining room with like the pretty blues and stuff. That'll look really good, but can't beat $1, and they're all intact, which is amazing. Someone also donated their pink set. They probably went together. That's precious. I got these for the girls' tree. I love doing the kids' trees. You guys will see shortly, actually. I just started filming. I just started filming the Christmas takeover, and so I actually have a Christmas tree in this corner and Christmas pillows. The girls have their tree up, the boys have their tree up. I have so much exciting stuff. Well, we'll get into that in a second, but the girls' tree is so fun because I choose pink, and basically just any pretty pink ornament that they like, that we like, I like, we put it on that tree. So like macarons and little dolls, like it's just so much fun. So I just like, you know, to have some ornaments to fill it in with. It just adds a little bit more oomph. And then the boys' room, we do a red and wood theme. So like nutcrackers and polar bears, and those aren't red, but there's no polar bears on the tree, but like brown bears. Anyways, y'all get it and you will see. I got this for $3. It is a 3-light candle holder, and it holds candles, 3 of them. Oops. And it looks like this. Okay, well, this one needs, oh, it just needs to be tightened. Okay, cool. So it just needs some candles in it, obviously, but it has little trees and little spots, and I thought that would look really pretty with like a wreath on the table or a side table. It just was so vintage, and you guys know I love gold and brass, and I don't know if it's 100% brass, but yeah, I just thought that that was really pretty for $3. Could not leave it behind. Could not, would not, should not. This I got in Canada, and I really just don't have a better time to tell you, and I want to be able to wash it and use it, but I also thought this would be really pretty for Christmas morning. It is a sugar and creamer. Oh, I was like, what? A sugar and a creamer set. Because it's in Canada, it was so expensive. It was $6 and $4, but again, like American, that's like $3. And so I got them for a great deal. They are made in Japan. Has a little Japan stamp on the bottom, but they are really cute. I think I looked them up and they're maybe worth like 30 bucks, which, you know, that's fine. But I just got them because I thought that they were really pretty. I love the detail on them. And again, I thought that you can use these all year round. You guys know I love white for my kitchen, so they'll blend right in. But you can also use them, like I said, for Christmas. How many times did I say that you could use them for Christmas? Like, let's move on, Courtney. Okay, it's been a minute since I did a thrift haul. These, I can't remember if I showed you guys already. I don't think I did. I think I saved them. But they were little teapots. Let me know if I already showed these. I apologize. I'm so sorry. But look at, it's 2 little teapots. I think I paid, yeah, $2 each for these. And these I don't even think were Christmas time for some reason, because that sticker is from my local thrift store. They wouldn't have Christmas out yet. They do a Christmas day where they like unload. It's my favorite thing. It also stresses me out like crazy because everyone like wants to get in and everybody wants the vintage, and I don't like that feeling, but it, like, I love thrifting and I love thrifting Christmas stuff. But anyways, so I'll have another haul for sure after I go to that, but look how dainty and cute. one for each of the girls. And then I think my neighbors had a yard sale this summer, and this was within a bag, and they let me just buy the one. So I think I paid like not even $1 for it, but it's a little nutcracker. Like I said, this is the boys theme, and it's actually cool. I went to Home Goods. Christmas time is so much fun. Second to thrifting, I love Home Goods for Christmas decor. Not like all year round, you know, it's a fun store, but Christmas, I love it. And so I just went recently and I found nutcracker pillows. Oh, you'll see it in the home tour, don't worry. And yeah, it just goes with their theme, super cute. And then the brown bear, like I told you guys, no polar bears, just brown bear, and then his little arms move. Watch me break it. Anyways, yeah, just like, is that not so nostalgic? I don't know for any of you guys, but like, this just reminds me of an ornament that we had on our tree, and I just think he's so cute. Highly suggest thrifting your ornaments, you guys. Like I said, that one thrift store that does their Christmas thing, I think I was able to get enough ornaments, maybe 2 years, to completely like fill one of those really skinny trees. You may have seen it last year. I did a reel on it, and I'll have it again this year, but it's all thrifted and they're all beautiful. I love them so much. So be on the lookout for ornaments, because then you can just kind of pick your favorites and you're only paying like $1 for them. So this I just recently got too, and it just somehow got smashed when we were just storing it just now. But it is supposed to be like a little guy's like, oh wait, that's why. It's supposed to be someone's nutcracker. Promise I know how to speak English. This is someone's like wood crafting nutcracker station. So you can see he has like his little tools and stuff, and he makes little nutcrackers, and I just thought that was so cute. So I just need to glue it, which it actually already looks like it was glued before. So I mean, probably like the first time they made it, obviously. It was just so adorable. I think I got that at the Restore. Again, just be on the lookout. And then all of that was actually from the Restore, the like ornaments and stuff. And then I also found little basket, well, not a basket, like a sleigh basket. So in the girls' bedroom, if any of you can remember way back when I did their room makeover right behind me, I put a snail on the shelf, and it's like made of that like wickery material. So I'm gonna take him out and put the sleigh in. Oh, so cute. This would also be really cute in like an entryway if you wanted to fill it with like chocolates or chocolates. It's just like the best. But anyways, just super cute. I think I paid like $1 or $2 for this. It has a really old sticker on it, $2.98, $2.89. But yeah, super cute. And then they also had this sleigh. Oh, look at that. This was $5. Oh, $6. Excuse me. $6. It is missing one of its legs, but I thought if I had this like in, well, one, if you just have it like this, you're not really gonna notice, but if I put it in like some garland or something, then you wouldn't notice it either. Probably this year, the color will stay the color that it is. It might just stay that way. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Okay. I don't love like orangey red woods, but this one can probably stay the color that it is. It looks a lot more red on camera. Like when I put it in person next to the tree, it actually looks nice because red and green look good together. Okay. Anyways, yeah. I feel like I went through that a little bit quickly, so we have time for the other stuff. Also, some of you say I talk too fast, and some of you say I talk just perfectly. If you think I talk too fast, I'm pretty sure there's a way where you can actually slow me down. So maybe that'll help you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you just a couple more items because we have time. Hallelujah. So when we went to Canada, I picked up this ring. We were just there for their Canadian Thanksgiving. Had a great time, got to see Brad's family. Brad's dad is ill, and so we were able to see him and pray with him, and yeah, just hopefully we brought a little bit of lightheartedness and chaos to his life. It was all good. Anyway, so I got this frame for $10, which isn't a great price, especially because it's like fake. It's not anything. But again, you guys know I've been having the hardest time finding frames. So whenever I find them right now, if they're a decent price, I pick them up. And I mean, it's a decent size. Again, it's Canadian, so it was probably like $7. So I'll take it. And I will be doing like rub and buff on that. And then I also found these two pretty frames for $3.99. These would be good if you guys saw the fridge magnets that I did. These would be perfect for that, or in general. I just am always looking for little frames to kind of like tuck into corners, and these are just perfect because they're not too small, they're not too big. $4 for two of them, so that was a good price. But yeah, those are super cute. Okay, and then some of you may have seen this stuff in a reel, so just pretend you didn't see it. But for the boys' bedroom makeover, I was looking for some artwork, and I found this, and I don't know, it just like spoke to me. Their room is red, and so red. And then I felt like the yellow and the brown would be really cool. And then it made me realize like, oh my gosh, like maybe I want to kind of do like an Americana theme. And then one of you commented on my reels and said, oh my gosh, are you doing like a Ralph Lauren? And I was like, Ralph Lauren. And I think I should. Like, I think I should totally lean into that. And it's kind of the way I was already going anyways, was that way. So, which obviously kind of was doing that because you commented on it. So anyways, but it just made me more excited. And then I got, I think that was $38, which I thought was fine for the price that it was, and it's vintage. And then I also got this pillow for $7. I really wanted there to be 2 of them because I thought it would have been cute on each of the boys' beds, but they have a desk chair in there, Emmett does, and so I thought that this would be cute if I like have it like facing out so we see the stars. Did I wash this yet? I don't remember. And then this piece I thrifted a long time ago, but I don't know if I was doing videos when I thrifted it or not, so if you saw this, let me know. But memories can't be trusted. Anyways, but I just thought I would show you this too, just because it's gonna go in their room, and I thrifted it at one point, but I just love this. These can be really pricey if you find them at antique stores. I found some at the antique store and they were, you know, like $50, $60 plus. I think I paid like $10 for this a long time ago. So super happy to finally be using that, you guys. And then the last thing I found for their bedroom was this. It's a picture of the Golden Gate Bridge, and we just started watching Full House together, which you think it's like a family show, and then there's some things and you're like, oh, that's a little questionable for the age my children are. We've been having like Friday night pizza night movie nights up here and watching that, and the kids are loving it, and they just think like the girls are cute and the guys are hilarious. But anyway, so the Golden Gate Bridge is obviously in that, and so Emmett just finds it super fascinating. And so when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's cool. Plus it'd just be cool to like, again, tuck in somewhere. I like having pictures that you can tuck in either on a shelf or in a gallery wall, that kind of thing. Okay, last 2 things. Again, the gold frames have been elusive. There was a lot here. This was, did I tell you, the Depot at Gibson Mill. It's the largest antique store in the South, apparently. And I mean, if there's one larger than that, then kudos, because it's huge. You just go on and 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 on, like literally, it's wild. Anyway, so they had a lot of gold frames there. You know, some were reasonable, some were not. This was 40, and for the size of it, I was happy with it, and I want to put this in my dining room on the wall behind the swinging door. If you guys remember that, I'll have some of these videos linked down below or up above for those of you who have no clue what I'm talking about. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you guys to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. We love having you here. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, but yeah, make sure you subscribe because lots of fun things coming. These have to go places, and you want to see where they go. My nose is a little stuffy because we have been taking out the Christmas stuff, and I feel like all that dust from the attic is just getting to me, so excuse me. But anyways, yeah, so $40 for this frame, really pretty. Love the ornate detail. Oh, and I also was okay paying that price because it is indeed wood. It's definitely an older frame. Last but not least, this cute little sweetie. This is a wood frame. It looks like it would have been old at some point. You never know nowadays, like this could have been something that came from Marshall's, like who knows? Because it's painted, I can't quite tell. But this I'm going to paint with my gold spray paint and probably some Rub and Buff. And then I'm gonna put this in the dining room as well. These might be too small to go above it, I'm not quite sure. I have some frames picked out for the dining room in a different little nook. I'll make a reel, you guys will see it, don't worry. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And then that is it for the haul. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was. Are you excited for Christmas? Have you decorated? Are you decorating this weekend? Have you thought about it? Or are you just like, chill girl, like December is when it's at? We didn't decorate until my mom's birthday every year, December 14th, which is a travesty. Like, why? Maybe we decorated, but our tree was the 14th because it was a real tree. But anyways, we have changed the ways in this household because my husband is Christmas obsessed. I love Christmas, and it's a beautiful time. But I wanted to tell you guys that I am actually going to be my home tour for Christmas. I am filming it for myself. You guys can see the behind the scenes, but that will be after the home tour goes up on Homeworthy's channel. Oh my gosh. I don't know if any of you know what Homeworthy is. You have to if you don't. Oh my gosh. They have a beautiful YouTube channel and an Instagram, and they basically tour beautiful homes, mainly in America, but I think I've seen some outside of America. Have I not? I don't know. But they tour beautiful homes of interior designers and just beautiful people. And it's wild that they reached out to me and said, we would love to tour your home. And I said, are you sure you have the right email? Like, what's going on here? And so they said, yes, Courtney, we want to tour your home. And at first they were gonna just tour it the way it is, which kind of made me a little bit nervous because you guys know it's a work in progress, and especially because the front entryway is not finished. And so I messaged and I said, hey, like, you know, when are we gonna do this? And then they said mid-November. And I was like, ooh, it's like, we really like to set up for Christmas. But Brad said, like, don't worry about it. This is so cool. Like, who would have thought? And so I just mentioned that, like, oh yeah, like the earlier in November, the better, because we love Christmas. So they came back and said, well, would you want to do a Christmas home tour? say less. Oh my gosh. So we are going full force Christmas. You guys know we were already doing that, but I've ordered like some extra garland and things because it's a Christmas home tour. It has to be just super cozy. I'm so excited, you guys. So you'll be able to see that like filmed better than I ever could. And I will have that for you guys. I will be posting it obviously on all of my socials. So make sure if you aren't already, follow me on Instagram at Heart and Home Crew. I'll be showing like behind the scenes and all that stuff, or Facebook, or here on YouTube. And then, like I said, we'll be doing our own home tour the week after, but it's wild. So I am just like scampering to get things ready and done. And I can't believe it. I'll have them linked down below so you guys can go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that video either. It's just wild. Okay, the dust is getting to me. I need a drink of water. That's all I drink. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, make sure to subscribe if you are not already, because you got to see my house at Christmas. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, you guys are the best. I love y'all. You guys are just honestly awesome. I love you so much. Okay, and I will see you next Sunday at 2 p.m. Probably back in the boys' room. Who knows? We'll see. Okay, bye guys.